ready and see if I get this right. No, hold on. Sleight of hand, are you ready? Ready?
Ready.
TBD, are you ready?
TBD.
Bun me, are you ready?
Ready.
Spring strike, are you ready? I got a cough drop. Oh, geez. LeBron James, are you ready? Steve, are you ready? Guys, don't. Octo Monster, are you ready? Krillzone, are you ready? Hardcore X4S, are you ready? No. Gurney Grinder, are you ready? Jason Baptist, you're always ready. Anthony KO ready. Okay, that's 12, right? We got 4 minutes on the clock. We got a good camera view. Yes, try not to stay where you are. Okay, I'm gonna back up. All right, 3, 2, 1, rumble, robots, rumble. Ow! This is nuts. This is a mess. I see pieces falling off. Somebody lost a thing. Oh no! There's one. There's two. Oh no. There's. Oh. This is your chance for revenge. 3 down, 9 to go. Well, 8 to go. Another one's out. Hardcore. Steve is out. They're dropping like flies. Half of Bun Me is out. Oh, the champ. Oh no! That was rotten. Was that fair? Oh! No more trophies for Corgi Crusader. Just a little of. You got a red thing and a blue thing left over. All right. We have Octo Monster, half of Bun Me, Spring Strike, and LeBron James, and somebody's wedge. Steve, part of Steve. Steve, oh, what's Octo Monster doing in the drop zone? Oh no. All right, we're a minute 20 in. Still going strong. It's a lot harder now that it's not so crowded. Oh, like, shoot! We got a choo-choo train! All in a row. Oh, let's not go there. Oh, wait, what's going on, Spring Strike? Hanging out. All right, who's gonna make a move? Oh, that looks. Oh, no! So close. Oh, that's looking gruesome. Oh! 2 minutes remaining, 2 robots remaining. One of these robots gets a trophy. Which robot will get a trophy? Bun Me's at a big weight disadvantage. But it's all about the lower ground. Now what? You're taking your time, being very cautious. Now what? Can you roll it? Can you roll it? No. Backseat robot driver. Bun Me's still going. Oh. It's not a pin because there's still some attempts to move and jockey. Oh, he's free. Be free, robot. Be free. And be stuck again. Oh, can you follow through? Oh. Yo. I appreciate your caution, but, you know, we gotta get back to work. All right. There it is. Fantastic. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Winner, is it Bun or me? We'll call it Bun Me. Octo Monster clinging on. Always a bridesmaid. That was great.